So first off, I just want to welcome everybody here. Thank you for coming. Today I'm going to give you some live training on Magic Zap. Specifically, I'm going to go over exactly what is Magic Zap, why you want to have it, how it works for your business, what it actually does, and then I'm going to show you how to actually create zaps. I'm going to show you how to create customized dynamic landing pages that actually will create more engaging more engagement. It will cause your visitors to actually engage more. You'll get more conversions, more opt-ins, more sales, all that good stuff. I don't know if you care about conversions. I don't know if you care about sales or opt-ins or anything like that. If you want more of them, but if you do, Magic Zap will definitely help you get those. And then I'm also going to show you how you can actually fire custom automations like sending emails, sending text messages, sending live phone calls, sending messages through your chat bot, or even do lead scoring and stuff like that by firing custom automations with Magic Zap. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead real quick and I'm going to give you an introduction to Magic Zap, and that's going to be the first little video that we do here. All right, so this is Magic Zap right here. Magic Zap is a pretty cool software, and what it allows you to do is it allows you to essentially create personalized dynamic landing pages. So basically what that means is you guys get emails that mention your name all the time. They say, hey, John, or hey, Michael, or hey, whatever. So it allows you to do stuff like that on your landing page. It allows you to actually create dynamic landing pages based on URL parameters that you send to the website. Now, if you don't know what URL parameters is, no big deal. That's something that we're actually going to go over, and you'll learn all about that, all right? So it also allows you to essentially create automations, all right? So let's say, for example, to give you an example, let's say you sell a high ticket offer and you have like a $5,000 coaching package, all right? I know a lot of you guys sell high ticket offers like that. So let's assume that you probably don't sell that high ticket offer to just like some random piece of traffic, right? You probably sell it to your warm traffic. You probably have warm traffic that you actually sell everything to. So you've already collected some information from them. They've already opted in and you already know some information about them. All right, so let's say you have their email address, or let's say, you know, for your high ticket training program, you've probably actually collected their phone number because you're a smart person, right? And you know that your $5,000 training package, that you never sell them unless you physically speak to somebody, so you gotta collect that phone number. So now what Magic Zap can allow you to do is, let's say somebody comes in, they look at your training package and they don't purchase it, all right? Now you probably are also smart enough to have some follow-up emails where people who don't purchase your stuff, you send them back another email and you're like, hey, you didn't buy my thing, come back and buy my stuff. Well, what you can actually do is that information that you collected from them, like their name and their email address and their phone number, you can embed that as a URL parameter. Again, like I said, if you don't know what a URL parameter is, no big deal. I'm going to teach you all about that stuff. But you can embed it as a URL parameter, and you can send them back to your landing page. And guess what? Instantly, the moment that they actually land on your landing page, you can trigger an outbound phone call, and you can literally get on the phone with them while they are live, you know, looking at your training package, going through your information, deciding, do I want to buy this? Do I not want to buy that? Guess what? While they're thinking about that, you can hit them with a phone call. You can even, you know, send a call out to your sales team and say, hey, I've got this dude. He's looking at on my website right now. Press 1, give them a call, close them. That call can happen automatically. Your sales guys and your lead, they can be on the phone automatically, and they can close that motherfucker and get you some money, all right? So that essentially is Magic Zap in a nutshell. Hopefully you understand exactly what it is.